Heard of the name Grok for AI popping everywhere, but what exactly is it and why are people talking about it so much? Grok 4 is an advanced artificial intelligence developed by xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk. Unlike most AI tools that rely on outdated data, Grok 4 is built to understand the world in real time. It connects directly with X, formerly Twitter, meaning it can analyze live posts, trends, and breaking news as they happen. What really sets Grok 4 apart is its personality and reasoning. It's designed to be more direct, less filtered, and better at logical thinking, coding, and problem solving. It doesn't just give service level answers, it explains why something works. Grok 4 is also smarter at understanding context, handling complex questions, and even analyzing images and technical data. That makes it useful for developer researchers and anyone who wants fast, up-to-date insights. Right now, Grok 4 is mainly available through X Premium plans, fully integrated into the platform. In simple terms, Grok 4 is AI Elon Musk's vision of a truth-seeking real-time AI that understands what's happening right now, not months ago. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.